Hello, my amazing English learners, and welcome back to Enlighten Pro. Today, we will practice a powerful method to help you speak automatically without thinking about grammar rules. It's the secret to unlocking the English already inside your head. This method trains your brain to speak English fluently, just like a native speaker. Let's get started. First, I am going to tell you a short story. Then I will ask many easy questions about the story. The story is called Holi, the Festival of Colors. Your only job right now is to relax and listen. Don't try to memorize anything. Just listen and understand the story. Here we go. Before we start, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot. I arrive in India during the Festival of Holi, the famous Festival of Colors. It's March, and the weather is warm and sunny. I've heard about Holi before, but this is my first time seeing it in person. Early in the morning, I walk outside to explore. What I see is amazing. There are people dancing in the streets. They throw colored powder at each other, pink, green, blue, yellow. It's everywhere. Children run around laughing, their faces covered in bright colors. Old and young, men and women, locals and tourists, everyone is playing together. Music is playing loudly. People are smiling, hugging, and taking photos. Some families offer me sweets and cold drinks. They are kind and full of joy. Later, I learned that Holi is not just about fun. It's about friendship, forgiveness, and the arrival of spring. People forget past problems and start fresh. They celebrate love, color, and life. In my country, holidays are more serious and private. We don't usually throw colors or dance in the street. But here, it feels open, happy, and free. I think I like this style better. It's wild, yes, but it's also beautiful. Holi reminds me that life should be bright, and joy is something to share. What a vibrant story, right? Now, let's move to the next step. Part 2. The main event, questions and answers. In this part, I will do two things. First, when I make a statement, a sentence that is not a question, you just listen. Second, I will ask a lot of easy questions. You must answer every question. Answer quickly. If you need more time, just pause the video. If you don't know the answer, it's okay. Just pause the video and read the specific part of the story from the screen. Review it and answer the questions. Let's begin. I arrived in India during the Festival of Holi. I arrived in India. Where did I arrive? India, right. I arrived in India. I arrived in India during the Festival of Holi. When did I arrive in India? During the Festival of Holi. Good. I arrived in India during the Festival of Holi. What is the name of the festival? Holi, right. The name of the festival is Holi. Holi is the famous festival of colors. Is Holi the famous festival of sounds? No. Holi is not the famous festival of sounds. What is Holi? It's the famous festival of colors. Yes, Holi is the famous festival of colors. It was March, and the weather was warm and sunny. What month was it? March, correct. It was March. Was the weather cold and rainy? No, it wasn't cold and rainy. How was the weather? It was warm and sunny. Yes, the weather was warm and sunny. I had heard about Holi before, But this was my first time seeing it in person. Had I heard about Holi before? Yes, I had heard about Holi before. Was this my second time seeing it? No, it wasn't my second time. Was it my first time seeing it? Yes, it was my first time seeing it in person, right. Early in the morning, I walked outside to explore. When did I walk outside? Early in the morning. Good. Early in the morning, I walked outside. Why did I walk outside? To explore. Yes, I walked outside to explore. Did I walk outside to sleep? No, I didn't walk outside to sleep. I walked outside to explore. What I saw was amazing. Was what I saw boring? No, what I saw wasn't boring. What was it? It was amazing. Exactly. What I saw was amazing. Okay, part 2. There were people dancing in the streets. Were people dancing in their houses? No, not in their houses. Where were people dancing? In the streets, yes. People were dancing in the streets. What were people doing in the streets? Dancing, right. People were dancing in the streets. They threw colored powder at each other. Pink, green, blue, yellow. It was everywhere. What did they throw? Colored powder. Good. They threw colored powder. What colors were the powder? Pink, green, blue, yellow. Yes, pink, green, blue, yellow powder. Was the powder only in one place? No, it wasn't in one place. Where was the powder? It was everywhere. That's right. Children ran around laughing, their faces covered in bright colors. Who ran around laughing? Children, correct. Children ran around laughing. Were their faces clean? No, their faces weren't clean. What were their faces covered in? Bright colors, yes. Their faces were covered in bright colors. Old and young, men and women, locals and tourists, everyone was playing together. Were only young people playing? No, not only young people. Who was playing together? Everyone, right. Old and young, men and women, locals and tourists, everyone was playing together. Music was playing loudly. Was the music quiet? No, the music wasn't quiet. How was the music playing? Loudly, exactly. Music was playing loudly. People were smiling, hugging, and taking photos. Were people crying? No, they weren't crying. What were people doing? Smiling, hugging, and taking photos, yes. Some families offered me sweets and cold drinks. Did some families offer me money? No, not money. What did some families offer me? Sweets and cold drinks. Good. Who offered me sweets and cold drinks? Some families, right. They were kind and full of joy. Were they angry? No, they weren't angry. How were they? They were kind and full of joy, yes. You're doing amazing. Just one more part to go. Keep speaking out loud. Later, I learned that Holi is not just about fun. Was Holi only about fun? No, it wasn't just about fun. What did I learn later? That Holi is not just about fun. Right. It's about friendship, forgiveness, and the arrival of spring. Is Holi about fighting? No, Holi isn't about fighting. What is Holi about? Friendship, forgiveness, and the arrival of spring. Good. People forget past problems and start fresh. Do people remember old problems during Holi? No, they don't. What do people do with past problems? They forget past problems. Exactly. Do they start old again or start fresh? They start fresh, yes. They celebrate love, color, and life. What do they celebrate? Love, color, and life. That's right. In my country, holidays are more serious and private. Are holidays in my country wild and public? No. How are holidays in my country? More serious and private, yes. We don't usually throw colors or dance in the street. Do we usually throw colors in my country? No, we don't. Do we dance in the street in my country? No, we don't usually dance in the street. But here, it feels open, happy, and free. How does it feel in India during Holi? Open, happy, and free. Good. I think I like this style better. Do I like my country style better? No, I don't. Which style do I like better? This style, the Holi style. Right. It's wild, yes, but it's also beautiful. Is Holi calm? No. It's wild. Is it also ugly? No, it's not ugly. What is it? It's also beautiful, yes. Holi reminds me that life should be bright, and joy is something to share. What does Holi remind me? That life should be bright, yes. Is joy something to keep to yourself? No. Joy is something to share. Right. And that's it. You did it. How do you feel? This is the core of the Effortless English Method. By listening to a story and answering simple questions, you are training your brain to think in English. You are building the connection between understanding and speaking. Listen to the story, answer the questions out loud. At first, you might be slow. That's okay. But after a few days, you will notice something amazing. You will start to answer faster and faster without thinking. This is how fluency begins. You have the ability to become a fantastic English speaker. The English is already in your mind. You just need to practice getting it out. This method is your key. Thank you for practicing with me today. You are taking a huge step towards your goal. Keep practicing, stay positive, and remember that I am here to help you. Leave a comment below and tell me how this practice felt for you. I can't wait to read your comments. If you found this episode helpful and motivating, don't forget to like, subscribe to Enlighten Pro, and hit that notification bell. This is Enlighten Pro, your daily English boost. You've got this. I believe in you. I'll see you in the next episode. Keep thinking in English, keep growing, and always remember, your voice matters.